So there's a new smooth tool going on here in Illustrator that is going to take the rugged stroke lines that you created and is going to simplify it and make it really nice and curvy. So I'm going to show you how it works. So what I'm going to do is select the stroke, I'm going to select the brush, and I'm going to type in something. Alright, so I wrote stay fresh with my mouse and it looks pretty clean, but now I'm going to simplify it even better. So I'm going to go to the object, let's go to the path, and here we got the new, not simplify, but smooth. So we're going to select it, and this is the menu. I'm going to drag it here, and all you need to do is just drag it up, and as you can see, it's going to simplify those rugged lines and make it more curvy. And there's also this button. This is the auto smooth button. And for the AI, the 20% is pretty good, but for me, this is not the best. So for example, here the problem is if I'm going to increase it, it's going to smoothen everything at the same time. And for example, if I like it on the letter S, I don't like it at the letter A, or I don't like it at the letter Y, or so I'm gonna need to make this separately. So I'm gonna go back to default, and what I'm gonna do is select the letter S, go to Object, Path, Smooth. I'm gonna bring this down. I'm gonna smoothen it out. For example, I like this on 80%, and I'm gonna select the letter T. And as you can see, the menu is still here. So all you need to do is just, smoothen everything separately. I'm gonna select the letter A now, smoothen it separately. This is gonna be somewhere around 60-ish, and so on and so forth. So let's see the stroke lines. As you can see, it removed a couple of anchor points, so it's simplified quite a bit. Now, if you want to simplify it even more, for example, I don't like the letter T, you can go also to the Object, Path, and Simplify. And you can see what's going on here as well. Oh, I like this one. And now it removed all the anchor point and it remained only with 2. Now it's even better. Same thing here. If the smooth doesn't work, you can select the simplify, do a couple of things with that as well. And then you can also customize it, with the direct selection tool and stylize it however you like. And there you go. This is how I work with the new smooth tool here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.